going to continue working on subtracting today. So today we're going to talk about subtracting 2. So subtracting, taking a number and taking away 2. So I have 8 owls here. I'm going to take 2 away. I can do this, or what you would have done on your booklet is put a line through them. So if I have 8 and I take away 2, you're left with 6. Okay, now let's put one guy back. So we have 7. We're going to take away 2. We're going to be left with 5. If we have 6 and we take away 2, we're going to be left with 4. And if you have, oh, I missed one, kindergarten, I didn't put 5 in here, but let's say if you have 4 and you take away 2, you're going to be left with 2. And if we have 3 and we take away 2, you're left with 1. And if you have 2 and you take away 2, you're left with 0. So let's see if we can see a pattern here. I'm going to just put this one in so it doesn't ruin the pattern. I forgot to write that down. Okay, so if you have 8 and you take away 2, so what you do is, you know if you take away 1, it's the number before. But if you take away 2, it's 2 numbers before. So we're kind of like skip counting before. So look here. Again, if we take our 7, we take away 2. We know if we took away 1, it would be 6, the number before. But now you have to skip backwards and it will be 5. So what you're doing when you take away 2 is it's not the number before, but the number before that, like skip counting. Okay, so you can work on that. And the other thing today that we want to talk about is if you're subtracting doubles. So if you have 8 of something and you take 8 away, kindergarten, you will have how many? So I take all of them away. You have 0. Okay, now we have 7. And if we took 7 away, all of them away, we would have 0. Now, if we have, 6, and we take 6 away, we're left with, you're right. And then, if we have 5, and we take 5 away, we're left with 0. We have 4, and we take 4 away. We take all of those away, we're left with 0. And if we have 3, and we take the 3 away, we're left with 0. And if you have 2, oh, that guy almost didn't want to come, and you take, I'm sorry, if you have 2 and you take them all away, you're left with 0. And if you have 1 and you take it away, you're left, if you have 1 and you take it away, you are left with 0. So kindergarten, if you have a number and you take that number away, the pattern is you're always going to be left with 0. Okay, so today in your booklet, you're going to work on the page where the person is holding the star, and you're going to go 12, take away 8, and get the number. You're going to do this page and this one. These numbers are getting bigger. If you wanted to, you could make sure there was 12, make sure there's 19, and then take away your 5. And so you only have 3 pages today. So good luck, and then you will have completed your first booklet in adding and subtracting. Have a great day. Good luck with your math. Bye.